Please don't treat us like boys. Don't treat us like boys. We have agreed with the district administration. We will be here. You need not to tell us. Please, you know. You are here to escort me, sir. Please, kindly, sir, you will allowed to say. Okay, please, sir.
We know that.
We have allowed to here, sir. I think that if you go to the spirit of section 144, you will understand clearly that this has been imposed
kindly,
or
sir, we allowed you to hear, sir.
okay, this has been invoked just to prevent that. That is too much. Okay, can one fight there?
No, we are escorting you, sir. An idiom is escorting you, sir.
Okay, but I want my people will escort me.
Sir, they are already
Please, at
here,
least
sir.
give them
Kindly,
10 to
sir.
15 of them only. 10 to 15 of them can be taken.
Kindly, sir.
Okay, please, sir.
We request you, sir. Please, sir.
That
We've
is
allowed
not-
them here, sir.
That is not too big a request.
Please, sir. We
You
have.
understand, sir?
Sir,
That is not too big.
See, sir. We have done the needful command, sir. Humbly request you, sir. Humbly appealing to your leadership, sir. Kindly, sir. We request you, sir. Please, sir. Your supporters are already here, sir.
I think I'm going to
Madam is ready, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Ay, ketuka nation. Hello. Kalong unlawful. Hello. Nakadika contempt of court. Hello. Hello. Hello.